Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 31 of Inktober, which is the last day. I can't believe it's been 31 days already. I can't say it's been all fun. I have had a little wobble here and there, but I'm very happy that I have completed Inktober. Anyway, so as it's the final day, I decided to illustrate chicken biryani. I'm sure everyone knows what biryani is, but for those who don't, biryani is a rice dish with lots of different spices. My school friend Vinod and a subscriber named Divya Ruth had suggested to illustrate biryani a while ago, but I waited to draw it till today as it's the last day of Inktober. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite biryani. So for reference, I used recipe by Cook with Fem and I've added the link for their video in the description box below. Do check out their channel as they have lots of different biryani recipes along with lots of other Indian dishes. I will do a flip through of all the 31 illustrations either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Also, if you took part in Inktober too, then do leave your details in the comments so we could all check out your artwork and get inspired. And also a huge congratulations. If this is the first of one of my Inktober video you have come across, then I do have 30 other videos for you, and I've added the playlist at the end of this video and also in the description box. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side, are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride, let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more. The sun, pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.